Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start by powering the iPhone and confirming it has at least 50% charge. This prevents interruptions. Next, sign in or create an Apple ID so apps, contacts, and backups sync automatically. Set a simple passcode and enable Face ID or Touch ID for quick unlocking. Make sure emergency SOS and your medical ID are filled out. These are critical if help is needed. Once done, you'll have a secured phone ready for personalized settings and the next steps. Now you'll make the phone comfortable to use. Open settings and enable larger text, bold text, and zoom so items are readable. Adjust touch sensitivity and vibration under accessibility if you prefer stronger feedback. Add key contacts to favorites, include photos for quick recognition, and mark one as ICE in case of emergency. Enable Siri and teach it a few commands like Call Jane or Read My Messages, because voice control reduces tapping and speeds tasks. Make sure notifications are simplified and grouped. Finish by arranging the home screen. Place phone, messages, and photos in the dock and create shortcuts for frequent actions. Turn on iCloud Backup and confirm automatic backups so you can restore if the device is lost. Set auto lock to a few minutes to save battery while keeping the phone accessible. If something goes wrong, first restart the phone. If problems persist, update iOS. As a last step, reset network settings to fix connectivity. This often resolves calls or Wi-Fi issues without erasing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.